Hello everyone, in AdRoast 3 episode we talked about comment trigger, but today we're gonna go dive deeper watching videos on how people create videos that they make you comment more and more. But before we go into this video, let's see what I was talking about on AdRoast number 3 about celebrities and how they're treating bad comments when they see them.
Flashback.
Imagine Kim Kardashian making a video and saying, I was bored to put makeup today and she has a very big pimple over here. She does it on purpose. These people are not stupid. They know really well on how they're gonna place themselves and what they're gonna show or not show. And they do all of that so that people can say, oh, without makeup you are ugly or that. They want you to say that. Just because you had a bad day and you put a bad comment, this is something that, if you think of it, it's actually helping them more to become more successful and have their ads viral, because they have the means, the power and the money to have 100 people monitor all the comments and be able to hide everything, but they don't do it. And the reason that they don't do it is because they want their ads or their posts to reach more and more people in the same way that I have explained to you.
End of flashback.
Okay, and now let's explain again why. Because if you're just having comments, and eventually you are making Meta believe that this post is liked by people, so people comment, Meta is not gonna come and see if these comments are bad or good. It's gonna see engagement.
Please disperse. Nothing to see here.
If you start hiding these comments, then what Meta is gonna see a problem. So it's gonna start suppressing this post. But if you don't, then Meta is gonna come and say this is a viral post, let's push it more and more. What are you getting with that? You are spending the same amount of money to reach more people because your CPM is getting lower. This is the technical side of it. But let's go on my PC and let's see some of the videos that they are triggering you in order for you to comment, and people do it in purpose so that you're gonna comment something and they're gonna get better CPMs from this action. This video and every other video in this series is being hosted by AdRoast.ai. You can go and you can check what you can do with this tool. Let's face it, 97% of the ads are gonna fail just because they're not gonna be good enough to start giving you sales, leads, or whatever you need. What if I told you that I have an app which is actually grading everything before you ever test it? You are increasing the chances of actually finding a winner. You are improving it and you are even enhancing it in a way that you can create better creatives in a very cost-efficient way. This is an app that I have built. I have calibrated with a lot of my friends, e-commerce store owners, agency owners, other freelancers, running multiple ad accounts, collectively more than 25 billion. This is what I calculated all of these years, scraping the ad library and finding creatives that they have actually worked for businesses so that we can be able to do good grading, which is not gonna fail, and grading that's gonna be really constructive criticism, and maybe a roast if your ad is completely bad. The name of the app is adroast.ai. You can click the link below so that you can go and you can check it. Okay, so I have gathered some videos which are triggers, and let's start with this one. As you can see over here, we're having a purse which is actually open, and she's doing this in purpose so that people are gonna comment to this, okay? It's triggering, it's something that's gonna make you comment, okay? So let's see the next one. So the next one is this one over here, okay? And in this one, you can see that this guy is holding this banana and stuff. He's never gonna eat it. There are gonna be many people that are gonna comment that, and you cannot see it now, but even the banana has a small ring around. Let me see. This one, for example, I don't know if you can see it, but let me see if I can have better quality here so that you can see it. Oh, there it is. It's actually looking like this. So this is something that, again, it was done in purpose and it is a trigger, okay? So that people can comment, why did you do this and that? Let's go for another one. Now, let's watch this one. It's talking basically about this chair and all of that. You can see how it goes up and down. I thought the same thing when I was watching it, and you will see it's talking about the back and how this can fix it. But what do we have here? We have something, which I'm not gonna say what it is, but at the end of the day, still, this is a trigger. This is appearing for 1 second in the video, and then people are just gonna comment that, hey, I have seen this and that and that. So this is gonna make the video go better, and you know, it's up to any brand if they wanna go down that path. Let's see another one. So we have this guy over here. He's kind of famous for doing that. He's always doing that. He's eating something and then he's putting the microphone there. We have seen people putting microphone on the glasses, holding their phone with a microphone, then holding a spatula, then holding something else and so on. But with this is another trigger. People are gonna see it and they're gonna get triggered. Let's watch this one. It has a very well hidden thing here. Boom. Okay, so the gun part over here, the fact that it's putting the gun inside, as you can see, this is a trigger part, okay? So it's gonna make you comment, haha, the gun, you're not gonna pass the security, whatever that may be. It doesn't matter, it's there so that you can be triggered. And now, for the last video, I left something that you don't even understand what it is and stuff, but this is gonna become viral because it's triggering. It's just this, you know? Could be this. That's crazy. Can you imagine how many people are gonna comment on this? If this is an advertisement, it's gonna go crazy. If it is about dyeing hair and all of that, I cannot believe that she ruined her wedding and all of that. It's just an advertisement, okay? That's all that I have with all the trigger videos. Of course, there are many more, and you are gonna find more. But what I want you is from now on, to be able to spot them when you see them and actually appreciate the magic of how these videos are actually working. I will see you for the closing of the video. So that's all I had for you about this topic. If you wanna go dive deeper about the comments and all of that, you can watch AdRoast episode 3, and I will see you guys on the next video.